You can start personalizing your website with just the 1-minute installation process. You drop this script on your website and you're good to go. You start gathering analytics from your website immediately, and you can see the full breakdown of your customer segments that visit your website. In Markettailor, you can create inbound and outbound segments for personalizations. Let me create an inbound personalization first. You can use any kind of firmographic data if you have enabled company data integrations such as Clearbit or Kickfire. You can pull any data from your existing CRM integrations such as HubSpot or Salesforce, but let me just use geolocation selectors for now, such as country personalization. On the right side here is the full breakdown of your customer segments and all the visitors that visit your websites. So you know exactly which personalizations to target and create. Let me select Finland for now, because that's where most of our audience is coming from. And you can see also recommended segments here, but I'm not gonna show it for now. It's basically a full recommendation of which segments you should focus on. We open your website in the visual editor, and you can start creating personalized content immediately. For example, here I could write convert more B2B leads with personalized websites. Convert more, for example, for enterprises or whatever you want to write there. You can also, let me make a do-over. You can reset an element. You can say here, for example, convert more B2B leads from Finland with personalized websites. But you can also embed a personalization variable here directly and use that for the personalization. So here I'm going to use an example variable. Here I can see we selected Guadalupe for this personalization here. So this selector gets automatically embedded to the website when the visitor from Guadalupe or perhaps Finland comes to their website. We can change any images, such as header or hero images or anything on the website that you want to. Maybe logos. Logos are great to personalize based on what the visitor's background is. So using firmographic data such as industry or company size, you can change anything on the website. You can customize call to actions to guide your customers to the right pipeline. So if your customers are large enterprise customers, you likely wouldn't make them go through your self-service funnel, but you'd rather go have them talk to your best sales reps. Once we're done with the personalization, we can publish the personalization, and now it's live. Once we have gathered some data, we can see the full breakdown of visitors and what pages they visit in this segment specifically. So here we can see visitors from Finland mostly visit our homepage, and the second most popular page is our pricing page. So we can go ahead and start creating a personalization for the pricing page as well. Once we are satisfied with all the different personalizations we have created for the segments, we can launch the personalization campaign, and it's automatically put into an A/B test category. So here we can start, perhaps forgot to name that. Here we can target finished visitors, for example, or we can add any kind of rule if we want to add more layers on top of that segmentation. So I was saying earlier, every personalization is A/B tested against the current generic website, and you can either create an experiment or it can be an ongoing personalization where we show a little bit of companies or people the generic website, and the rest we're showing the personalized version. You can start tracking conversions, either integrating with Segment or Google Analytics, and you can start creating your own conversion events. So here I'm going to track a new page view. So if the customer lands on our homepage, we count that as a conversion, for example. You can also add track events. So if the customer clicks on a certain button, that counts as a conversion. So here I'm going to click a conversion event called clicked on sign up button. And if that happens from the home page. And in Markettailor, you can actually assign these conversion events using the visual editor. And boom, you can either select this element or all the similar elements if you have navigation elements across the website. And now we're tracking this conversion event. You can also select which conversion event you want to track and should be your main conversion event. So here we're trying to drive people to look at our pricing page and convert people that way. So that's our main conversion event. Like I said before, we integrate with Salesforce, HubSpot, Google Analytics, Segment, Kickfire, and Clearbit. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed.